In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Docusign documents via Google Docs 5 minutes. We'll start right inside Google Docs so you can prepare, sign, and save a document without jumping between tabs. Open the Google Doc you want to sign or send for signature. It helps to give your file a clear title and a final proofread, since what you see here is what will be sent. Next, head to the top menu and choose Extensions, then Add-ons, and click Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Docusign e-signature. You're looking for the official Docusign add-on for Google Docs. Click it, select Install, and follow the prompts. You may be asked to grant permission so the add-on can access your document. If you're on a work or school account, you might need admin approval. If that's the case, switch to a personal account or ask your admin. After installation, sign into your Docusign account when prompted. If you don't have one, you can create an account during this step. Once that's set, look to the right-hand sidebar in Google Docs and click the Docusign icon. This connects the add-on to your open document. If you're asked to log in again, go ahead. This links your Docusign profile to the specific file you're working on. Now click Sign with Docusign. Docusign may request access to your Google Drive so it can read the document and return the signed copy. Approve the access to continue. Your document will load in the Docusign interface, ready for field placement. Here's where you place fields. Drag and drop the signature field wherever you need a signature to appear. You can also add a date signed field so the signing date is captured automatically, and use text fields for items like a title or initials. Take a moment to align fields neatly and check every page. Zoom in for fine placement and make sure required fields are clearly positioned so nothing is missed. When everything looks good, sign the document yourself if you are the signer, and then click Finish. Docusign will generate a signed PDF and prompt you to send it or save a copy to your Google Drive. Choose the option that fits your workflow. If you save to Drive, look for the new PDF in your My Drive shortly after finishing. And that's it. You've added Docusign to Google Docs, placed your signature fields, and finished the document in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.